Okay, so this is the flow for when a student first logs in. They get brought to this screen here, which is the background image, lesson name, and their avatar, and click to begin lesson button. And again, we want a new design for a quote unquote learning pathway, where there's a pathway here with dots or whatever along the way. Each time the student completes a lesson, they will move on to the next dot with you know, a castle or something at the end as their end goal. That when they get to that castle, you know, I guess it'll render a new background image with a new pathway for them to get to the next goal. Oh, and also a progress bar along somewhere, wherever, it doesn't matter. For like each time they do move to a next dot, it'll advance that progress bar. So if we begin the lesson, again, it's the first part of our lesson, which is what we call a I do video, where it's just one of the robots teaching the concept for this lesson. All right, and then so that's usually about a 3-minute long video. And then after that, when you click the activity button, it's going to be another video, usually shorter, about, this one's 13 seconds, but usually about 30 seconds at the longest for this video, and just briefly goes over that concept again that they just taught in the longer video. But then at the end of this, it's going to ask a question. And this particular, and there's 3 types of questions. There's multiple choice, which this one happens to be, number pad or tens frame. So it's a multiple choice question. It asks which one has more, so we answer the right question. If you answer it right, a little pop-up, and then you'll move on to the next section, which is what we call the I do portion. And for most of them, there's audio attached, or at least for the younger grades, there's an audio attached reading the question. This particular question type is a tens frame question type. So what that does is, as you click the button, it you know, adds dots to the tens frame. This particular question is asking to make 7. So move on to the next. All right, this is a number pad type question here, which again, we want to redesign for all of the types of questions: number pad, tens frame, and multiple choice. So